5 things you need to know before you start affiliate program. First thing, you need to know why you are starting this affiliate program. Let me say you want to start affiliate program. You don't have any clue. You need to come up like, why am I starting this affiliate program? So you need to make sure you know why you are starting it. Two, you need to understand the type of strategy. Two, you need to understand the type of strategy you need to use to start this your affiliate program. You need to have your strategy. Don't use other people's strategy. Three, you need to make sure you have free source to drive traffic to that your product or that your affiliate program you want to start. Make sure you have free strategy to start this your affiliate program. Why? Is because you want to start step by step. You don't just want to invest money into your business from the beginning. You need to start for free and see how it go gradually. It's like building yourself. It's like step by step movement. So, four, you need to make sure you are giving value to the people that is consuming your product. Let me say you are promoting other services. If you are promoting services, you need to give honest review about what the product is all about. If you are promoting your own product, you need to make sure you are giving people what they are looking for. You are not just promoting any random product to make money. So you are making sure that you are giving them the right product. Why? Four, you need to make sure that everything that you said on that your website is what you are doing.